Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hooked. So today we have this new yarn. I'm so excited. I keep seeing a lot of knitters have this as a blanket, but I want to see if it really works for crocheters. They say that this is a crochet pattern. I'm excited. So we're going to open it up. I've already cut the top of it open, just so it was easier because they have it sealed pretty well in here. But we are going to open this up. This is the Ohhio Yarn. I think that's how you say it. I don't know, I keep looking at it and I'm obsessed with it, but it's like this really thick, pretty tubular yarn. Like I said, I haven't really messed with it before, but we got 20 meters of it in pink, and we are going to try and make it comes with a cushion pattern, so we're gonna see how that works and see if it actually is something that crocheters can use or if it really is just a knitting yarn. It is so big and you don't use a hook or anything like that with it, so we're gonna test it out and see how it works. Hey friends, real quick, if you want to learn how to get these amazing ergonomic hooks in this super cute yarn bag, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Alright, so today, like I said, we're working with the Ohhio Yarn. I don't know how to say it, but Cora wanted to join us today, so we're gonna let her. I am going to make the pattern that it comes with, but I'm not going to step by step it on here because it is their pattern, so I don't want to like get in trouble for showing their pattern or anything like that. So I am going to make this, we'll time lapse that part of it, and then we'll talk about it when I get back. Alright, so, I mean, it's not perfect, but for the first time making this, it looks pretty cute. Looks like a little donut. I did not finish it all the way. It does come with scissors, or needles and thread, and a threader to sew the ends together, but I'm not going to do that yet because I'm probably going to take it apart and make it, like, perfect. I don't know yet. I mean, it looks really cute, so I'm not super mad about it. I love this yarn, and I love that I got to crochet with this yarn with my arm. I think that's pretty awesome. So let me know if you guys have used this before, if you've gotten a blanket with it. I kind of think I want to get a blanket with it. It's like playing with taffy. But let me know if you guys have used this before, and if you have, what is your favorite kit by them? And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. So y'all have a great day, and I'll see you then. Bye!